Okay, peeps, here we go. We got it installed. It turned out not so bad. Got a couple little spots underneath here. There, well, kind of get a good look of it there. Actually, it turned out really well. The only problem I had with the factory exhaust is right up in here. There's a connection after the muffler. That those bolts were a little bit rusted and seized, so it was a little more effort to get them out, but other than that, it looks pretty good. So we're going to start this thing up, and we're going to let her buck here, see how it sounds. Excellent.